I over-rotated. One more roll.
Y'all got this.
Why are we rolling when we gotta unroll it?
I'm trying to get all the air out of it.
Well, I think you did.
Look, hey, no, let's see. Hey,
Yeah.
I got it, dude.
That's where the...
Let's roll it on
She's
out.
gonna fall.
Yeah, it's not gonna be pretty.
I've seen monkeys and shit.
That's fine.
Just keep rolling. No, keep rolling just like it is. All you gotta do is back the truck up over.
No, we gotta get it back
We're
up.
gonna
Back
your truck up
No,
over
you
it.
back the truck up over and get the air out of it, and that'll make it flatter.
Back the truck over it.
Then we'll fold it over one more time and get some rope.
I'm not sure if that plan there.
And we'll haul
Look,
tight.
it's leaking air down now.
It is.
What are you doing?
Get up there.
My phone. I'm a little dirty too. Why don't you step on that side?
So we're trying to get the air going.
Hey, Don! Lay down right here and roll that way.
Slide. And you too. All three of y'all get on and roll around in front of us.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm videoing.
Come on.
Oh, I'm
No,
videoing.
seriously, all the people can get on here.
No.
I'm not gonna do nothing to you. Come on.
No.
Taping you.
Yo, dirty legs, huh?
I know.
Hey, that looks
His grass.
good.
It's grass.
He's gonna lick that mud off your leg.
Oh, I ain't got no mud. I mean, what kind of fertilizer do you use?
Ammonium nitrate.
Is it that Viagra?
No. Yeah.
Viagra.
That's cool bike.
That is cool.
Well, I like Cowboy Bongo.
I think the wife's drunk and she's driving you home.
Probably not.
No.
Look, it's the man show.
Hey, we need some answers.
Man, dude, they were telling me at work about that show that comes on 1,000 Ways to Die. Or something like that.
This is one of them.
No.
Yeah, you jumped.
And guilty.
A what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, are we gonna unroll it and then roll it back up?
We have to.
And it cut her. She felt it. It was like, didn't think nothing about it. Went back doing it again. It cut her
You
again.
know I'm videoing this.
Bled internal.
I didn't hear about
Alright,
that. But I
let's
didn't hear
unroll
about
this.
That's
bitch.
great, because now I have that on video. You'll have to
You said I'm worried, dirty.
take that off.
Oh, come on, Don. It's not like you haven't heard one of those before. Whatever.
All right, which way are we doing?
I know, Kate.
Which way?
When you pull this way,
Anyway.
we're gonna unroll it.
Hello?
Look, all right, look. Now, see, I see y'all ain't done nothing. Now watch this.
Yes, we're in Munford trying to roll up this big water slide thing, and it's a hoot. I'm videoing
Roll
it.
me under that.
Maybe you'll see us on YouTube.
Oh, you showed me something. Look at this.
There's
He's
water
got a
coming out.
lizard hanging off his pants leg. Hey, is that a lizard? Or are you just happy to see Steve?
Anyway, no, I'll call you. Okay, I will. Bye.
Really, honestly.
I'm sorry. I thought it was gonna stick.
Let's roll this back over that way.
Y'all made a good
Ugh.
last year, too.
Okay.
They just like teaming up, don't they?
Do I still need to be videoing this?
Hey, remember we
I guess
gotta
so.
put the thing back in there.
Well, it'd be easier if it was blown up. You gotta put that thing back in there.
We're not blowing this thing back up.
Put it back in there. That white thing.
What? I missed something. I don't know.
He's gotta get a drink.
Get a drink out of your pants leg.
I'm dirty.
He shows your face.
Take a shower before the show tonight.
Steve, you look real sad right now.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is going a whole lot better than last year.
Yes, much.
So
I 100%
we